This is a review of the GK64 series RGB keyboard. So this is the brown box. Opening it, inside we can see the keyboard itself wrapped in plastic. So let's set that aside now. We also get the manual. This manual shows all the shortcuts and controls for the keyboard. It comes in English and in Chinese. And behind the box we have the switch puller, because this is a hot swappable keyboard, so we can change the switch, and keycap puller. We also get the cable. It's already USB-C, so that's good. USB to USB-C braided cable. Oh, the keyboard I choose is black, colored black. Okay, so there's nothing else in the box. Now opening the keyboard. This is the top view of the keyboard and the keycap. The standard keycap it came with. So let's just plug it in. Okay, this keyboard is already RGB. You can change the RGB on this keyboard by installing the application from the manual. You can change each single keycap with the RGB one. So this is not a zone RGB, it's a single key RGB. You can change the RGB settings by pressing on function and the very right button. Then what it's called. This is also a Bluetooth supported keyboard, so you can use that with your laptop's Bluetooth, your phone's Bluetooth, any Bluetooth that you can connect to. Oh, this keyboard also has a microphone built in its PCB. So there is an LED RGB LED setting that can detect the amount of noise that that entered the microphone and uh, outputs it as an RGB, as you can see. So this is a quick look at the keyboard itself without the casing. Let's take off the casing first. You can see the plate and the PCB itself, and this is the hot swappable PCB, so you can change each individual switch to anything you like, from brown switches, red switches, blue switches. You can easily swap out and customize it as you like itself. I choose the one with the standard brown PCB, brown switch, I mean brown tactical switch, and I changed the arrow keys with a pink switch. It's actually a blue switch, but the switch color is pink. It's clicky blue switch.